Can you give us 3 here? Bunso. She's our sister, Bunso. And the 3 of us.
Kasi mga anak ko, gano'n, pwede.
Pwede at least 21. Okay, so ayan.
So if I have brothers, let's say pwede sa barangay.
Oh, pwede. Pwede mag-tie up siya with the Maya.
Based on the
This is called so that will be very historical.
Like, can you tell us approximately
Depende ho. Pero if you want, di ba kung ako pa saan kayo, bibigyan namin sa inyo yung draft.
Oh, okay.
And then definitely, tingin ko, feasible dito. Sa Philippines, medyo hindi pa na-approve. Pero dito, usually more
$1,000 income every month is okay.
$1,000 income?
$1,000, about 4 million to ano yata, 5 million.
$1,000 is $12,000 a year.
Social security ka na doon.
Ibigay kayo grab. Ibigay ka na lang.
And we need also the brochure and the explanation of the
Lahat
What's the biggest lot area in the Philippines? Not the condo,
The house and lot, 95 to 110. Usually corner units and single detached. House and lot.
so that's how many bedrooms?
It's about 3 bedrooms. All staff.
You have no particular, you know, where in Pampanga?
Pampanga, San Fernando, and Mexico. San Fernando is Ontario, Bulacan.
Do you have any
Rizal this year. Saan sa Rizal?
like this say Binangonan,
Ano yung next namin? Bila email nyo na
Balo sa Malabon meron? Sa Malabon. Taga Malabon na. Pero elevated yun, di ba? Pag Malabon na.
Kaya tapon mo naman yung ginawa.
Puso eh. Late na magbigay.
Ganda di ba yung program? Ganda yung reception.
In-email sa akin ni Ara.
Ano, okay na?
Eh,